birthday party, pretty decent size. Told my son he'll get his own steak, so he got a little baby tomahawk here. We're gonna dry brine for the grill coarse, flaky Maldon sea salt. We'll want the salt to get all up in the meat and maybe add a little pepper on the outside. No binder, of course. Of course, we got these all from Sam's Club. So when we come back and get ready to cook these, you're gonna notice that the salt has been diffused into the meat. It's not gonna be here. You probably see a little bit on the fat. As if you ever are worried that your seasoning is just gonna run off of the meat, just do this. Just pat it in. So this is what's culantro.
That's culantro?
Yeah, not cilantro. Like it's not as strong, but it's more fragrant.
Oh, you smell that.
Yeah, it's more fragrant than cilantro.